What's up, my fellow YouTubers? I'm Nick from Ososik Media, and I am back with another unboxing video for some parts for the 10th generation Honda Civic Si. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm super excited to just open up these boxes, just tear everything out and just see what's in here. But first, real quick disclaimer, if you're not 18, you might need some parental supervision. If you're like 19 to 21, you probably still need help. 22 to 45, you should be good and you'll know what this is, so I think you'll be fine. Anything older than that, you might want to call your caregiver to give you some help, because last thing we want is for you to accidentally cut yourself. So let's get to it. All right, got some nice bubble wrap. That's always good to see. If you haven't guessed it yet, this is a PRL big turbo kit. So obviously you can see there's a bunch of stuff in here. Let's go through it. Cool. 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 Some more. Here's one thing that I'm actually noticing, even though it seems like it's a lot, but it's actually a really good thing that they package everything separately. If you've done pretty big installs, I would like to say this is a fairly pretty big install. It's nice when not everything's just in one big bag and then you're over here having to reorganizing it. Looks like PRL did that for us, so thank you guys. Let's keep going. Heat shield. Let's go ahead and take this out. All right, cool little piece right here. Honestly, I'm probably going to, you know what, I'm not even gonna tell you. It's a surprise. Still look the same, but it won't look the same. Catch my drift? Anyways, let's keep going. Cool. So far, so sick. Some more, check that out. Shout out to Turbo Smart. Little fun fact, they've supported us pretty much since we almost started, so huge shout out to Turbo Smart, engineered to win. You guys know who you are, thank you. It's good to see that PRL's using their products with their kit, so got some more. Loving it. That's cool. Starting to see this a lot more often, especially in the 10th gen community. So it's pretty sick to see everything getting so personalized. Can you guys guess what this is? Quick, comment below, guess what this is. And don't continue watching the video until you comment, and then you can come back up. So until then, I'm gonna give you some time to comment while I start getting some other stuff out. Gaskets. Sick. And check this out. Let's open this up. All right, we have this very, very, very nice downpipe specifically made for their turbo kit. Not even gonna lie, it's pretty sick. Show you guys a close-up right now of the welds so you can see on point. Obviously, this is why it's specific for their big turbo kit. All right, let's see what else. Let's go back to, if you commented correctly, you may, well, congratulations. So let's go ahead and find out what this is. If you guessed it, yes, this is it. It is the new flange to fit a Garrett turbo. So, as you can see, got some cool decals. We're all set for, actually check this out. It's a little quality control checklist. They mark everything to make sure everything gets in there. And it also tells you all the parts and part numbers. That's pretty cool. But in all seriousness, now that you know what I'm unboxing today, let's go down and open the thing that everybody looks most forward to. Oh no, you know, I know this really helps, but personally, I'm not a fan of these because it makes a big mess. The only thing I like tossing around are dollar bills, so as you can see, it's not the same. Well, it is what it is, but as long as it protects the packages, we're good. Oh, look at that. A box in a box. There you go. Moment of truth. Here it is. All right, so here it is, brand new out of the box, a Garrett GTX2867R Gen 2. Really excited to use this. Garrett is a very well-known company. It's good to see that PRL's kit is utilizing a lot of really good manufacturers in the industry, so can't wait to start piecing this together to show you guys what it's like. Pretty much got all the fittings and lines already installed. Turbo. Time to put this on the cylinder head and then keep going. Alright, got the turbo mounted. Had to use a swivel for this one down there, but that's all good. It's all coming together. Gotta put this fitting back on. But other than that, that's what the Garrett turbo looks like mounted on the L15. Alright, time to put the downpipe on. Now that the downpipe's on and all the lines are in, go ahead and install the heat shield. One of the things you always got to look out for is just clearance on anything, so. Looks good. Time to put on the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. So to plumb the wastegate, we're gonna go base off of the OEM hard lines. So we'll take this part off first. PRL provides a T and another hose. All set, you're all done. Everything's plumbed up from back here. If you want to win some car show points, you can cut these off. If you want to win more car show points, you can get actual clamps. But I'll be good with just cutting them off. Those ties are all cut. All right, the PRL Big Turbo Kit is in. Let's see what she sounds like.